So hello everyone, and today we are thrilled and really excited to have our class 14 graduation after a long months of learning, working, ups and downs, projects, bugs, especially bugs and debugging. So we are thrilled to celebrate our class 14 graduation. And so I'm Slim, the education manager at SHA. And so I will start greeting you. So hi Selina, hi Mehmet. Halim is one of our instructors at SHA. Laura, the fundraising manager. Hi Laura, hi Vaya, hi Amar, Irina, Amin, another instructor at SHA, and Aya, our marketer. Hello, Vincent. So Vincent as well is here. Vincent is graduated from class 13. So tell me guys, how do you feel about today? The big day, right?
Great, wonderful. Couldn't be better, not anxious at all. Vincent, thank you for being here to support us and everyone else. So yes, we are wonderful. It's great. Cool. Find the truths and the lies in these sentences.
All right, so
and sorry, and a little bit stressed also.
Yeah, I realized that I don't understand why, because we are celebrating today. Why are you stressed? Like you shouldn't. You should be like happy, which is the case, I can see. And after the graduation, like you should be partying as like crazy. So get ready for that. All right. So maybe Halim or Amin wants to say something before we start showing the projects.
Yes, sure, why not? All right, guys, so I know that I have been not here since the beginning of your journey, okay, but I have to say that I know that it's a 6-month journey, okay, and you worked hard for this moment. 8, okay, nice. 8 months journey, and you worked hard for this. So even for this project, like you worked a whole month for this project. So I need you to be proud of your project. And when you are presenting your project, like know that you are presenting the hard work of a whole month in 5 minutes. So be proud, don't be nervous about it, okay? Be happy about it, okay? It doesn't matter if, like sometimes you will find projects better than your projects or projects that you will see them cooler than your projects, okay? But be proud of what you have done and know that you can do better in the future. And that's only the beginning after all, okay? So having a certificate or finishing this, this journey, it's going to be the start for your career. Okay.
I believe yeah. Like this, like being here today is a big achievement. Like knowing the ups and downs we all went through, the hard times, the good times, the difficulties, and so on. And you made it. We are here today, and I'm really proud and excited to show your projects to the world. So yeah.
Right.
Thank you so much. Both.
Good luck, guys.
Yeah, I'd like to add something. So about being stressed, you realize like all of us are actually very stressed right now. And I think Slim is the most stressed one. It's okay to feel stressed. Like, I think we need to conform to the stereotype that developers like should be introverted and they're always like feeling kind of nervous and everything. But this is the big day. Like, this is the fruit of all of your labor. You should be really, really proud of this day. And you did great, like all of you. And it was like a pleasure for me to work with you all. So thank you so much for the effort you put.
Is it that obvious that I'm stressed? Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Can I say something for you?
Yes, sure, Selena.
For you all, I mean, not you tutors only. If you were not here for me, I wouldn't be here also. Like, I think it's a team job, and that made all of us to come here, even with not interacting at some point, just knowing that some people are there to help you if you want to, even if there are tutors or if it's your pair or it's a team member of yours. But yes, I should praise you for me being here, my efforts also, but okay, my inspiration, let's say, it was the whole community thing for me. But also the curriculum is great. So step by step, if you take it step by step, you have the great guideline to learn. So yes, thank you for that also. And being like next to us all the way, it's like huge thing for me, because you were there like in every minute. I thought you didn't have life at all at some point. Like I was sending a message on Discord and you were like replying the most in 1 hour, and I was like, okay, maybe I steal from their lives, but they told me to do so, so I do it.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Selena. You're more than welcome. I think Mehmet wants to say something.
Yes, I also thanks to all my teachers, because I learned from all of you, really. For example, I learned from Salim, CSS, and Halim, React.js. I learned, and also from Emin, I remember the algorithms that he has in JavaScript. They all teach me. When I write CSS, for example, sometimes I remember you. And I will remember Halim and Emin also. Thanks to all guys. Really, you put lots of efforts. Thanks for your contribution.
Thank you guys, like for being here. Like you are making my day. I'm really, you cannot imagine how proud I am to see you all here today. Stressed to present your project. So maybe, hi Georgia, welcome.
Hello everyone.
So maybe if anyone else wants to add something, or if we have any volunteer to present the project.
I think you can find someone to say something, but
I can do it. I can do it. Because actually I feel less stressed if I go first and then just stare at and have a cigarette, maybe, I don't know. So yes, I can. If everyone agrees, I can start. Yes.
I think yeah, everyone agrees.
Okay. It's a demo, guys, because I have host disabled participant screen sharing. It is a demo because my internet connection is not that good. So what you see is not going to be live. I will try to follow along and I'm just going through my app and I will explain some stuff when needed. Also, and most importantly, I have like some background music. If it's annoying, you turn me to share again without sound. I tried to make it lower. And please don't be judgmental with my mixing skills, okay? Please.
We won't. So can you check if you can share your screen now? Yes.
Oh, no. Wait, because I didn't put the sound on. I think I can.
Yeah.
So you will make sure of it. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
Okay, great. So let's start. Okay, this is the, can you hear the?
We can't hear the sound.
Why?
See.
Anyway, do you, okay. Wait, because I tried
Let's debug it, guys. We can do it. Let's see what's wrong with it.
Yes, please, because I just...
Take your time, don't stress.
Take your time, it's
Take
fine.
your time.
Because I have share sound on, why? I will be really sad if it doesn't work. It doesn't work, right? Okay, anyway.
Yeah, it works, it works.
Okay, great. Why I can't hear it? Anyway,
Can you make
okay,
it a
this
bit
was
louder?
the intro screen that when you click on this button, you go and quote generates itself. By default, it has a Z index like, I don't know, 9 million. And now we are in the app. What you see here are remaining to-dos from local storage because I have previously. Now we set the timer to 5 minutes. You can apply the font and the color that will apply to the ring around the timer and the title. Here, what I'm showing you is how I edit my, let's say, to-do item. There you press the enter and it's finally there. You can close it from this button, and then all 3 items are active here. Now I passed one to the completed by just clicking the button, and then I unclicked it and goes back to the normal, to the old section, let's say, that is remaining. And here I'm just showing you how to add. You just write there the to do and click enter. This get inspired button is always on top, and when you click it, nothing changes. All to-dos are there and the timer keeps going, but you have a full screen, this one. Okay, if you press the plus sign, you auto-generate a new quote every time. There is a button for Twitter also, I will show you later. Yes, another one, I didn't like it a lot. No, I liked it, so I posted on Twitter. And yes, that's it
Nice.
for this part. Yes, thank you. It was really nice. Okay, this button, I'm really proud of it. Can you see the transformation? You can see it. I'm generating some more quotes. I found it really nice to just clean your mind, reading something new. Here, go back to the to-do list. And I think here I'm waiting for the timer to ring because, oh no, I paused it. And then you can resume. Yes, all the things remain there. And there is also an audio, you can hear it.
Yeah, we can.
More likely,
Yeah.
yes. So yes, it passed to the short break, and if there is a long break higher than the short break, now it's not higher, it will pass to the long break. If you try to change things, there is this caution that says that if you do, the timer will change and the button turns to, yes, red button to apply, like if you want to apply, yes. Going back, I think, yes, I'm showing this again and just erasing. This is the app, how it looks from the beginning. And now this is the ending point of me. Yes, this is like what every programmer passes through these 2 states. I've passed a lot of times, but mostly the second one. This one looks like my dog, fun fact.
Yeah, I saw the dog like
Yeah, and now you're first one.
And now you are the first one, yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I used Angular framework for the whole thing. Guys, I totally suggest you to go for it. It is not easy, but at first you will use some JavaScript, you will use some things you know. It is harder to implement it because there is a certain way to do it, to use JavaScript like inside Angular, because Angular is built on TypeScript. But yes, I think that you would like it. When you learn like how to do it, you would really like it. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thanks, Irina. I love you and I hate you at the same time. You know that. Because
But why?
because
of the Angular.
Yes, because it was Irina's idea at first, and I thought, yes, I can go with it. Nice idea, Irina, bravo, and stuff. And then I got into it. It was really hard, but thank you, everyone.
This is an awesome project, Irina. I really like the UI.
Very nice.
And yeah, and that's what Amin and Vaya and Mehmet are saying in the chat. Like it's great. And you answered Mehmet's question, which tools did you use? So it was Angular, and really like thank you for it's a challenge because you didn't learn Angular during the course, and
I took the basics.
But you took the challenge to learn about it and do the project with Angular, which is, as you explained it so well, it's not an easy task. So yes. Bravo, Selena. Like,
thank you so much. I want to sorry, thank you so much. But I want to thank Halim for being there with me, just having a blank in my mind, and helped me. And we finalized let's say this project together. And so thank you so much, and everyone for being here.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Halim. Thank you, Selena, for the hard work. I'm really proud of what you did. Bravo.
Thank you so much. It's really important to hear that. Thank you. So I stop sharing, right?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Cool. So thank you, Selena, again. Who wants to go next? By the way,
maybe
let's say
next.
Yes, you can. So
because
let's say hi to Athena and Alex. They joined us. So Athena is from class 16, and Alex is an SHA team member. So you can go ahead, Irina.
All right, I need to share screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So I decided to create a chat application. I named it Calma Chat. And I used Angular, Firebase, and SAS for this project. So in order to join the chat, if you have a link, you can just paste the link and join it, or you can create a random room and you can join it. And if the link is wrong, then it will show that room doesn't exist. So I will create now a random room. Let's go. Okay, can Selena join the room?
Sorry?
I will just paste the link in the chat.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe Selena can join the room.
I'm joining it.
Okay, Slim join. Yeah, so that's how it works.
Nice.
You can see only 20 last messages. What?
Everyone is here.
Okay, actually, I wanted only 2 people to join because I never tried many people. I don't know how it will work, but seems like it's working now.
Yeah,
and it can save only 20 last messages, and the rest are disappearing even on the server. So I don't pay for the server.
Yeah.
And when you click on a message, like when you select the message and you click on it, it shows the timestamp from a server, so it's server-side time, because I found the bug that I tried with my friend, and my time was a bit earlier. So when I sent, he sent first, and I sent also, and my message was first. So it was a bug, and I realized that I have to do it like server-side timestamp. Also, if someone wants to go offline, you can click on Calma Chat logo, and you're offline. And my name becomes gray, and I can go back. I'm here again. Oh, I see Mehmet went offline. And if I want to exit, I can click here, and yeah, I was using here Angular material. It's like a Bootstrap. Yeah, and also it's mobile friendly.
Nice.
Yeah, like that. It's not that nice, but okay. And I also made animation stop. When you enter the chat, it stops. That's it.
This is awesome, Irina. Like
Thank you.
a real-time chat and
also I can show something. It's really nice.
Sure.
I really like it. It's I was using Firestore, and I can show you the database on the Firestore. And as you can see, I have here the history of all chats and participants that ever joined the application. And I can see the messages. This is amazing.
yeah. This is awesome, Irina. Like, I'm amazed. I'm amazed.
So it's true. They know what we're doing on the internet.
Yeah, they know.
And what is saying,
yes,
awesome
that was me.
Yeah.
By my privacy.
And later I want to implement the location, and what else? Something else I wanted to implement. And login button. Now it doesn't work, but I want to make it work. That's it.
Thank you, Irina. This is an amazing job you did. I like the name of the app, Calma Chat, with the eyes. Yeah. Like we're watching you. Like we know everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
can I say something? The A, it's from the Angular. Is it the same way that you said to Selina Halim how to remove it from the logo?
Yeah. You mean the A on the browser?
Yes.
Yeah. You can just change it by another icon. You can just delete the one giving by Angular and modify it with another .ico image. Yeah.
You can use the eyes probably also there, because I remember Selena had the same A from the Angular, and he told her how to remove it.
Angular by default give you that A. So all the Angular applications give you that A, and then you can modify it.
I've changed it the way Halim showed me. I had the flower there. I don't know if anyone noticed. It was really nice though. But yes, it is not so hard thing to do. Like you have an SVG, you go to the href in the links, and you put this one there. And also you go to Angular JSON, I think, and then you add this picture instead of favicon.ico, and it's changed.
I'm sorry for the non-developers that will be watching this video. We're getting technical.
I am super lost.
Yeah, that's what I suppose. All right, so very great job, Irina. Like,
thank you.
This is amazing, like what you.
Yeah, and I also wanted to thank you, everyone, teachers and classmates and the SHA for all the knowledge and your time and help.
Thank you for
very much.
It so far, and
thank you.
keep up the hard work. Like,
thank you.
We're all going far with this journey, I'm sure. All right, so Okay, so who wants to go next? Mehmet, yes.
Yes, thank you. Sorry, because my internet is very slow. My portfolio, my app name is Currency Portfolio app. The purpose of my project is the user can follow the current economic news, and by entering amount, he or she can convert the currencies and see if the Turkish lira, I put it as an example, if Turkish lira increased or decreased gradually, and you can prepare your own portfolio and you can buy and sell with my app. The main technologies that I used in my app, React.js as a framework, and Redux for state management, Bootstrap and style components for styling, and local storage for saving the data of the user. Also, there are some dependency that I use, React transition groups for making cool transition between pages and routes, and React table. It is for, if you check the row, you can make it clickable. I made it with React table, and React charts for Dognut chart. I show also the currency that you buy in the chart, and also E18 next scanner for transition the page from English to Dutch or from Dutch to English.
Nice.
And I use 3 API for fetching the data, the currency data, and the last one is for fetching the economic news. Okay, let's go to the application. I think it is very slow. Okay. When you open the page, as you see, I put a parallax in the background.
I think you need to share your screen first, Mehmet.
Oh, sorry. You didn't see anything?
No, not yet.
Until now? Oh, sorry, because I thought I am.
You thought you were already sharing.
Because I was showing the
now we see your
presentation
screen.
here.
Yeah, now we see your screen.
Okay. Okay, I want to
go
show
back
it.
to, yeah.
Yes. Okay. This was the presentation. And then I go to the my page that I did. Okay, when you open the page, there's a parallax in the background, and I have sign in and register buttons here. And if I scroll down, you see I have some currencies. When the Turkish lira increase, these symbols show upside, and if it is decreasing, it is automatically it is downside, it shows. And this is the news that I fetched from CNBC website. I showed only 3 columns, but they are responsive. I will show it. And here, a small exchange or converter, you can put your input and see the equivalent to the other currencies, and you can change the currency. For example, if I make it euro, you see it is Turkish lira USD and save, and they are all of them are the current currency rates.
Like real-time rates.
Yes, real time, yes, of course. And I put here a footer and LinkedIn, they are going to my own private
Accounts.
web page. And yes, accounts. If I make it smaller, you see it is also responsive.
Responsive. This is amazing, Mehmet.
Yes.
And we can see that you are really into economics. And,
Yes, yes,
currency.
because of I want to work in bank. And let's go to the sign-in. If you sign, for example, with the name that you didn't register, let's make it Selim, for example. If I go with that, you will see I have an alert, and I have to go and register. I couldn't remember your surname, but
okay, it's okay.
I put it as an example. You see, I routed to the homepage with cool transition, and this is the page that I can control my currencies. Here I have a navbar. In navbar, you see the username and which language you want. You can change it and make it, for example, Dutch. If you make it in Dutch language, all of the things changing, and you can make it also in English. And here I have a search bar. You can buy and sell from here, and you will see now if we, as an example, if we buy Turkish lira, and a model appear here. In model, if you write the currency that you want to buy, it is automatically will add it to here, and it is decreased from my dollar portfolio. And let's buy another currency, for example, franc. If I buy 100, you see also here my other currencies that I have added to here automatically. And if I buy 100 also, it is also added to here. And you see in the charts, they are all added here, but they are dollar equivalent, not,
okay.
You know, you see I have only 100 civis, but the equivalent of it in dollar, it's $108. Also, you see, I cannot, they are not working, so you have to choose it and click it. If you click, they will work. Let's try it. And if you sell, for example, I want to sell my franc to, for example, to my USD account. You see the rate change. If I want to sell it to Turkish lira, it is changed. And the data is fetching from the API, and real time, it is real time, as Selim said. And for example, I want to sell 50 franc. It will decrease from it, and it will be added to USD. And so, by the way, you can control and manipulate your own data with the chart and the things. That is it. My project is. And if you log out,
what if you sell? What if? Sorry to interrupt you, Mohammed. What if you sell more than what you have? Will you have?
If you okay, let's try it. Because we also fix it with Halim, all the bugs, or
nice.
The other people that joined me, they helped me. Which currency do you want to sell, for example?
Here, for example, you have 50 Swiss franc.
Yes.
So let's try to sell 100.
Yes, if you you will take an alert here. I will sell 100. If I sell 100. Oh.
You bought 100.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, I have to sell it. I will sell 200. you see you don't have enough balance because the amount is
it's more than
high.
what you have.
So it is, yes, also it is working. And if you have another test, I can try it.
I'm good. I wanted to try that.
Okay. Thank you everybody for listening.
Thank you, Mehmet.
This is my project. Thank you everybody
Thank you,
for
Mehmet.
listening.
Congratulations for the project you made. I see also you are using Netlify to for your project, and this is a great work. I'm amazed. Congratulations.
Thank
I
you.
know you
Thank you
put
so
a
much.
lot of work, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Congrats.
Thank you.
All right. So if you can stop sharing, Mehmet, please.
I think I stopped the sharing.
We
Okay.
still can see you. Yeah, now
Okay.
you
Okay.
So this was a great project, Mehmet. Thank you again, and let's see who wants to go next. Baya, yeah. Baya was faster, Amar. Next, you will be the
Yeah.
next.
Sorry, Amar. Mehmet, congratulations, of course.
Thank you.
And of course, Selena and Irina, so far, well done. Well done for all the work, for using Angular. I didn't use any framework, JavaScript. So congratulations. I don't know how it is to use. I hope I will in the future. For sure, you did something really great. I can share the link here. You can actually open the website. I can share also my screen.
Yes, please.
Okay. It's okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I created a website. It was inspired by a personal project of mine where we do cleanup campaigns. We collect trash, and we have noticed the harsh realities we have as consumers because of everything we buy. And this is why I created this website, and I have one calculator, plastic bottles of water, where you will put like a cost of one plastic bottle, like I don't know, it's 50 cents in Greece. And then how many do you buy per week? Like more or less, if you buy, and then you put 3. And I will tell you here, like per week, you spend this amount of money, per month, this amount of money, and per year, this amount of money. And in the right column, I have some facts and of course, solutions. And then I have another calculator where I count what Slim is using right now. It's a takeaway. I've seen it. And I count the pieces, the plastic pieces that we use whenever we have a takeaway beverages. So how many do you buy per week? Let's say 3. Do you use a straw? If I say no, the next bar will disappear. If I say yes, I use a straw, I say to you how many, and I will say 3 also. And then I will tell you, this is the amount of plastics you waste per week, per month, per year. I have some statistics, once again, and solutions. And here, while I'm in this page, I've been calculating the plastic bottles being sold every second, because it's a lot, actually.
It is.
It's also hosted on Netlify. This is why you're able to use it. I want to thank all of the users that I had the honor to work with, because I've sent this app, I don't know how many times, so many versions, and they were all a pain in the ass because I had no UI in the beginning, and
I can
Slim
see
knows
you
it.
made a very big improvement in the UI. I'm really proud.
Yes, it was a completely different thing, the first one. So they were complaining that I had no UI. They were complaining that they didn't know the numbers here, how I was calculating. Because I had one user was saying that, okay, if I spend 10 euros per month, 10 euros in a month for plastic bottles, it should be 120 per year. And I was like, no, because we have roughly 52 weeks. So we had the whole, I talked with a lot of users. They were complaining that they didn't know what was all this about. So I had to create an introduction. They wanted to see some facts, but they didn't want to read articles. So I used like the phrases that they were very important. They wanted to see solutions because they're okay, I've seen facts, I need some solutions. So I had this kind of users that were like, okay, I will do whatever you want.
That's great. You are adapting.
Yes, and also there were people saying to me that they expected more. Slim was one of them, I can say that. So I got very upset during this whole month. This is why the whole website changed completely.
This is awesome.
Yes.
I wish you were more upset, so you keep on changing and
yes,
new features.
It's true actually, and I want to thank all of you, this SHA and the teachers, because of all the course and everything. I'm able to actually use this website. I'm going to use it. I'm going to have it on my profiles. People can actually go inside and use it. And it made me realize that I do want to work for the environment. And if I can create things like that, that will be helpful for organizations and stuff, that would be awesome. And implement also frameworks that you people used and I didn't. Yeah. That would be awesome.
Yeah, that would be awesome. And maybe this will be your next challenge, like to try to create something else to add to your portfolio with a framework, maybe React, maybe Angular, maybe Vue, so you can have a look at them and try to do something. But I'm really happy, like, with what you did. This is an amazing work, especially the improvement in the UI. Like when I saw it a couple of days ago.
And you saw a good part. The first one was horrible. It was horrible. I was talking with a programmer. He was like, did you just wrote the whole CSS? You didn't use any framework? Like, are you gonna maintain your app every time there are updates and everything? And I was like, I never thought about it. I mean, never came to my mind, never crossed my mind. So then he was like, oh, you need to use a framework, Bootstrap. And I've only used it once. And I was like, I need to use at least one framework.
Yeah.
So it was a nice journey. Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations, Vaya.
Thank you.
Amazing. All right, so Amar, the stage is yours.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you are hearing me.
Yeah, we are hearing you,
Amar. I will start. Okay. Share screen. Okay. I can start from Netlify, sorry. It's a weather app. You can see when you launch it, it will directly ask you about the location Okay, so if you will allow it, it will start to track your location, longitudinal and latitudinal. You can see there is no data now at all. When you will accept it, it will directly reach to your location and
It
start to
shows
bring the
very
data
well.
for Foreca for 7 days per week. And for sure, when you get the data, it has a lot of information, and you have to implement this data to the website.
Yeah, you
And
need to consume the data that you are getting from the API, right?
Exactly. And also it's responsive. Yes.
Nice.
That's the technology that general is vanilla JavaScript. I just used Moment.js for some calculation of the times.
Yeah.
This is for the weather app.
Awesome.
I promised Slim also to do something with React. Now I will show it to you. I'm using Opera now for the weather. And
and the number of tabs you have open there is crazy.
Exactly. Just a second.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. It's a memory game. You can see that it's from the local host.
Yeah.
I connected now. And when you start new game, it will shuffle the cards and you start to play, okay, to match the cards. For example, these are matched. And you can see how many turns you took
to match the cards.
Exactly, to match all the cards. So this is the general idea. I was working for it until before half an hour.
Really?
Yes.
Sorry for the trouble, Amar.
No problem. But it was very nice to work with React. It's very, as you told you, and you told me also, to learn and to trying to do something also.
Exactly. And what do you think now after doing the first project with vanilla JavaScript and now that you used React for this second memory
For
game?
For sure, React is very powerful and give more opportunity, much more, and quicker for sure. And also when now, for example, if you will for new game, of course, it will start shuffle the game, the cards all again. So a new game again. Oh, sorry. Oh, now there is still. Yes. So it's not. It was nice.
It's great, Amar. Congratulations, like for the job you did with the first project, with interacting with the API, getting the user location, and like showing the forecasts for the next days, and you did that with vanilla JavaScript. And did you use any for the I mean the CSS? Did you use any framework?
No.
Okay.
Normal.
Cool. Nice.
I would just want to thank everybody.
Thank you, Amar.
Halim, Amin, my colleagues for sure, Irina, Selena, they were all supportive. Thank you all a lot.
Thank you, Amar, and congratulations for the good job you did.
Thank you so much.
All right. I'm so excited. So I'm not stressed anymore, maybe a bit. I don't know. I mean, then, and so who wants to go next?
I think I'm the last one. Okay. Let me share my screen. First of all, congratulations, everybody. All the projects were amazing. I love them.
I'm really proud of all of you guys.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yes, we see your screen.
Okay. I made a website about Frida Kahlo. Yes, this is the front page. Here are the sections. You can see some paintings here. Some few words about Frida Kahlo and feminism. And if you click here, a video appears. Okay, I will not play it. Here is the biography. And some random quotes. Selena. Selena, like the idea of the Twitter button. I will add it for sure. And here, I made some API for the quotes because I couldn't find one on the internet. This is it, and this is some contact page. And from this page, this is not functionable actually, but I will fix it also. And it is also mobile friendly. Okay, let me do this. With a drop-down menu like this. That's it. No, this is, it shouldn't be like that.
Maybe it's because of the internet connection.
Yes, here it is.
It looks very nice.
Thank you.
We can see that you have the designer eye, let's say, and it's about painting and stuff. So I think this is your thing. So congratulations! I really like.
Thank you so much.
The choice of the colors, the way the layout is made. It's also responsive. The animation.
Mm-hmm.
So congratulations, Georgia.
Thank you.
What did you use?
I used React with style components, and I really liked it actually.
Nice. Yeah, style component is it's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm really happy, guys, with your project. The advancement you made. Like I remember when I just joined and we started together. Like I can remember like the knowledge that you had back then and now. Like you made a huge improvement, and you are gonna still improve. I'm really happy to see you all here with your project and showing your hard work to the world. And as Vaya said, like every time like you show your project to someone and you get feedback and then you work on new stuff, make some changes. Like this is how it works like in real life. You have your client, sometimes you start working and then no, I don't like this, and they need some modification. So this is the iterative way of building projects. You got that, and I can thank you enough for being here and taking part of this journey. All right, let's stop this. All right, so who wants to share something? Yeah, Alex and Amar. Hey.
Oh no, what is going on there? Why are we apart?
We live together.
Really?
Really?
Yeah,
Yes, Amar told us already on the
Oh.
meeting.
he kept it secret.
So
like,
it
for the
was
whole
you
period.
sometimes, Alex, that there was a noise or what? I want to thank you once more. I don't know why. I feel really grateful for having you. I can't explain it more clearly, but yes, it is this thing. And I'm proud of you all because everyone had another idea, another story to share, something new to offer, design-based or I don't know, the technologies or stuff. What are you doing there, people? Okay, so yes, I feel really proud. I hope that it's a new beginning for us and we share our new stories.
Yeah, yeah. And just bear with me for a couple of seconds. I want to show you something. So I'm going to share my screen.
You are with Mehmet. Let's imagine what.
No, I'm not. Alex is with Mehmet. I'm not with them right now.
Mehmet, no, with Amar.
No, I'm joking. Like I
Amar.
should show you something, and I thought, okay, maybe you will show someone next to you.
Yeah.
No, but from my side, I wanted also to congratulate to all of you. It was super beautiful to see your jobs, all of them, and to see that you have finished this period. I've been always in the back, but I knew how we're doing. So it's very lovely to see you showing your work and ending this together. And I'm very happy for all of you and congratulations.
Thank you, Alex. So I'm sharing my screen.
Thank you very much.
And here, like I'm gonna share the certificate. So I will share the links with you later on, and you can print them as a PDF. So here we can see Georgia's certificate. So congratulations, Georgia.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And George, unfortunately, he couldn't make it today because he's working. So George, if you are watching the recording, we want to congratulate you as well for the effort and the good job you did. You made George made an app of a shoe store, and with yeah, and it's very nice. So
What do you mean by
congrats. So, sorry.
With transported.
All right, so let's move to Mehmet's certificate. Congrats, Mehmet. Then Vaya, congratulations. So you also
No. I want to hear my surname.
Okay, let me try. Vaya Paschopoulou. Tell me. Am I close?
You're very close. You're very close.
All right. So Vaya Paschopoulou. Paschopoulou.
Yes. Wow.
Yay. So congrats, Vaya. Then Amar. I'm gonna start reading surnames now. Amar Al-Khafaf. Congrats, Amar.
Thank you.
And Vasiliki Manu. Selena.
Bravo.
Bravo, Selena. Congratulations. Rocio couldn't make it for our today meeting. So congratulations, Rocio, for the effort you put and the project she did. And let's move. Irina Kalman. So we will start using your chat app in order to keep in touch. if you allow us, of course.
You can use it, yes, you can use it, but I will change it a bit. It's going to be updated.
Okay. All right, and I think I didn't miss anyone. So here it's yeah. So that was it. I'm gonna start the sharing. So I don't know what to say. I'm really happy to see all of you here. Like I think hi Vaida. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. I had workshop at class 16, so couldn't join earlier.
I
It's
saw
finished. So.
that.
Yeah.
Actually, one of the students managed to jump in, like
Oh yeah.
spend a couple of minutes with us and
Nice.
go back to the workshop. So yeah, congratulations everyone. Keep up the hard work. Now, like I think we have the career day in January, right, Vaida? So very soon.
Yes, Career Day is happening January the 13th, and the registration closes on December the 20th. So we have announced the registration form in the Social Hackers Academy main Discord server under employability. So you can find the registration form there.
Awesome. So just like fill up the form so you can join the Career Day. Thank you everyone for being here with us today, and see you around on Discord. You're not going everywhere, like you are stuck now with us in Discord. But yeah, Discord is the best now, okay? I know you hated it at the beginning.
Okay, it's good.
It's good, okay, at least. Improvement, okay. This is an improvement. All right, so thank you very much everyone, and keep on working, and wish you all the best.
All the best, everyone.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Congrats. Bye-bye.